Welcome to the Health Science program at San Angelo ISD, where students explore the diverse and impactful world of healthcare. This program is part of the Health Science Career Cluster and prepares students for a wide range of careers in diagnostics, treatment, and patient care. Through hands-on activities, students get experience with the tools and techniques used in healthcare. They learn how to diagnose health conditions, develop therapeutic treatment plans, and help patients recover from injuries and illnesses. This real-world experience prepares them for careers in fields such as nursing, phlebotomy, and medical assistance.
I got involved in this program because I've always wanted to do something in healthcare, and I know these skills will help me in different opportunities that I can have in my future career.
The Diagnostic and Therapeutic Services program also emphasizes teamwork and communication, essential skills for any healthcare professional. Students work together in lab settings to practice their skills, solve problems, and learn from each other, just like they would in a real healthcare environment. Students in our program can also learn certifications that open doors to entry-level healthcare jobs, giving them a head start in their careers or a strong foundation for college.
My CNA and phlebotomy certifications mean a lot because it's going to help me in my healthcare career.
The Health Science program at SAISD offers a pathway to a fulfilling career in one of the fastest growing industries. Here, our students become the healthcare professionals of tomorrow.